Welcome back to the channel, back to the tutorial for Python. Today we are to see how to generate a table with the help of Tkinter in the Python. That means very simple and easy. So it will be useful for the use if you are the beginner or intermediate level of learning the Python language. So for this creating a table, first of all you have to install the package, and after installing you can use the code from Tkinter import and class table. So as of now, Tkinter is one of the familiar one supporting for create the GUI, that means graphical user interface. So with the help of Tkinter, we can create a number of applications. That means creating a window, registration form, and so on and so on. So here we are going to just create a table with by default some information. So we are going to call the function called differential underscore need self root. Then code for creating a table we can give for I in range total underscore row followed by row total underscore columns. Here I am going to enter the entry root with size which is 20 and the foreground color is blue and so on. Then I am going to give the measurements. Then I am going to give the information, that is the list is equal to 1. The table number 1 consists of the roll number and the name of the name and the location, at last the age of the person, like that. So just now I'm creating like 2 followed by Aryan followed by Pune and age followed by 18. At last Supam followed by Delhi location and followed by age is 21, like that. And find the total number rows and columns in the list. We are going to write total underscore rows is equal to len of LST and so on. Then I'm going to write a root window. For root window I'm using the function called root is equal to T of TK of. Then I'm writing T is equal to table of root. Then at last I'm complete the code with the help of root.main loop. So once you write the code and you execute in Pycharm or Jupyter anywhere, you may get the output like this. So it will generate immediately. If you want, you can maximize it. Say displayed successfully with the help of Tkinter. So the information, the roll number and name of the person and the location, at last the age. So this is a way how we can generate the table with the help of our and generate and display the table with the help of Tkinter. I hope that you understand the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.